Hey there! If you're a content creator and want to make money from your videos, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and strategies on how to earn money from YouTube. Create quality content. The first step to earning money from YouTube is to create high quality content that people will want to watch. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and create videos that are well produced and informative. Focus on providing value to your audience. Build your audience. To earn money from YouTube, you need to have a significant following. Promote your channel on social media and engage with your viewers to build a loyal audience. Respond to comments and questions and ask for feedback to improve your content. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows content creators to monetize their videos through ads. To be eligible, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million short views. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the program. Enable monetization. Once you are approved for the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable monetization on your videos. This will allow ads to be displayed before, during, or after your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Make sure you follow YouTube's guidelines for ad placement and content. Diversify your revenue streams. In addition to ad revenue, there are other ways to earn money from YouTube. You can sell merchandise, offer sponsored content, and promote affiliate products. These revenue streams can supplement your income from ads. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and affiliate links. Track your analytics. To optimize your earnings, it's important to track your analytics and understand your audience. Use YouTube's analytics tools to monitor your views, engagement, and revenue, and adjust your content and strategy accordingly. Experiment with different types of content and analyze what works best for your audience. Earning money from YouTube takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your channel into a sustainable source of income. Remember to focus on creating quality content, building your audience, and diversifying your revenue streams. Thanks for watching, and happy YouTubing!